All right, so just to discuss, I just learned about pass through value versus passing through address or by reference, sometimes I guess what it's called. And it's just how you pass your variables through functions and in your languages and in your scripts. And it's handled different in different kinds of scripts. Some, I think, I don't know which is which, but some do it by reference, some do it by value. So here's just like a C program. Um, you have like, so you have your function passed by value, and it takes its arguments, just an int I, and it'll just suppose it'll just take that I and then rechange it to 99, something else, and then I return it. And then address, you actually give it a pointer for its argument to the int I, and then you change it, and you return just the you change the pointer in the memory where it's allocated. So essentially, like kind of value um, takes a copy of the variable, and then address actually takes the specific chunk where the variable is written out in memory. So it actually takes the variable's value in memory, whereas value takes a copy of it. So if you think like this, so if you just start with your main int main, and then you start with a variable named num, and you set it to 20, and you pass it to pass by value. Um, what it should do is return 20, even though in the function it does 99. And then with the address, what we'll do, yeah, I'll just print out the sentence, yeah, with num, and then, but if you do pass by address or reference, it'll actually take 65, and it won't return 99. Like you would think this would return passing value is now 99, but it's still gonna be 20 since it's a copy of it. But this will actually, since it changes the variable memory, it'll say passing by address by 65. So if we compile it, we can say passing by value, it's now 20, like we said. It didn't return 99 but 20 because it copied 20 inside the function. And passing by address is 65. It actually did change it, the, this int num to 65. So that's the basics of it. So like just kind of reiterate. So if you like were to put this passing by reference first or address, then you compile it. Now that since it's first it's going to change it to 65 in the computer's memory. So so then it's going to pass by value to 65 is going to get passed, right? So I should say both 65. Yep. So that's the basic of it. That is how a scripting language passes its arguments and functions and how it's stored in memory and stuff. So